Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Wix, whether you've just made small tweaks or completed major design changes. Knowing how to properly save your work ensures nothing gets lost. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your site. From here, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will reveal a drop-down selection with various options for managing your website and its mobile version. After clicking on that, a new page will open up where you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make absolutely sure that this is the website you wish to save. If you manage multiple sites, it's easy to accidentally work on the wrong one, so always double check that you're viewing the correct site before proceeding. Now, from this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the actual website editor where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on Design Site to move forward. Once you click it, you'll be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can see all your design elements, pages, and customization options laid out in front of you. Now, here's something really helpful to know. Wix actually has an autosave feature built into the platform, which means that most of the changes you make are being saved automatically in the background. This is great because it reduces the risk of losing your work if something unexpected happens. However, if you've made specific changes and want to ensure they're saved immediately, you can manually save your website. To do this, simply click on the Save button located on the top right part of your screen. Clicking this button forces Wix to save all your recent changes right away, giving you that extra peace of mind. It's especially useful when you've completed a series of edits and want to lock them in before moving on to something else or closing your browser. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Wix website, ensuring all your hard work is preserved and ready to go live whenever you're ready. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.